Hello, dear friends. This is Carmen. I'm back with you finally after a very long rest. I think I've been gone for like 6 weeks or so. I'm so sorry I've been gone so long. But if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I've had so many things going on. Car accident, a move, which we are in our new apartment, so that is a tour that will be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But today I want to show you a project that I've been meaning to share with you for the last couple of months. I created a fairy garden, and in this tree-like planter, you can see here, it is a planter all the way around that looks like a tree, like a little fairy house. And I put in, because I'm going to keep this one inside, I put in some tropical plants that are going to be kept inside. Let me tell you about this planter. It does have a hole inside, so when you water it, it does have drainage. It does take a lot of soil, and one thing I thought of doing after I put all my soil in was perhaps putting in some nursery pots inside to take up some of that empty space so I wouldn't have to use so much soil, because these plants won't have a huge root system that they'll take up all of that space. So that's something to remember. But this fairy pot I got from an Amazon store called Parva Garden. Very nice lady named Raquel reached out to me and wanted to send me one of her fairy garden pots or garden sets. I selected this one, and I love it. As soon as I saw it, I love it, because that I don't have to use my own pot. It's all contained in one pot. And it's something really cute that I don't have. It has its own little decorations with the flowers, the door, the little house up here. I'll put a picture in of what it actually looks like empty. But what I added was obviously the soil and little rocks, the plants. And I have these three, this one, and this little welcome sign up here. I already had that in my selection of items for fairy gardens, but it came out so cute. I did use a little sedum here that will cascade out. Has lots of room. You can easily do a succulent garden in this. I simply selected to do tropical plants that I got at Home Depot. I think I got these at. And so it just made it much easier for me to do that theme. But you can see this little fern here looks like a tree over this little cottage there. So I tried to make it like a little forest for them. Isn't it cute? Now, Raquel is offering my viewers a 15% discount through her Amazon store. So I'll leave the link below with the discount code that you can use for 15% off your order with her. And very nice lady, had arrived promptly and very well packaged. I appreciate her so much for her patience in my getting this out for her. But I just love the way that it came out, and I hope you do too. Let me know down in the comments below if you love it as much as I do. And again, visit her shop. She does have a website too that I'll leave a link below, but she sells mainly off of Amazon, so you can view her sets there. She has a really nice selection of fairy garden sets, containers, pots, lots of different things. So take a look at that, okay? Thanks so much, friends, for your patience. I will be trying to upload more regularly now that we're in the apartment. I'm going to be getting a new balcony tour for you guys here soon, along with a plant apartment tour for you also, okay? But I'm doing good. well recovered from the accident. And thank you all for your good wishes and your prayers and thoughts. That meant so, so much to me. But I'm doing well. Thank you. And thank Jesus for that. Thanks so much, friends, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me so much. And subscribe if you haven't already, okay, friends? And make sure you check out Raquel's Amazon shop. Thanks so much, friends. Appreciate you. Take care.